So the first question is, am I solving the right problem? Now there's a story about the former Tata Steel chairman, Mr. Rusi Modi. So he was having a staff meeting. There were both the executives and the workers. And the workers brought up a serious issue. They said that the cleanliness and the hygiene in the workers' toilets was terrible, whereas the executive toilets were much cleaner and more hygienic. So Mr. Modi asked his senior executive, how long would it take to fix the problem? The executive replied it would take 1 month. So Mr. Modi said, no, I'd rather fix the problem in a day. Why don't you send me a carpenter? So the carpenter came the next day. And Mr. Modi asked the carpenter to swap the notice boards on both toilets. So the workers' toilet now had executives, and the executive toilet now had workers on it. So Mr. Modi had effectively asked that the executives now use the workers' toilet and the workers could use the executive toilet. And he said every 15 days, swap the boards again. Now the cleanliness of both toilets and the hygiene in both toilets became exactly the same within 3 days. Now, what do we learn from that? I think Mr. Rusi Modi, if he had defined the problem as a cleanliness problem, then the whole solution would have focused on cleaning equipment and cleaning staff and cleaning chemicals. But Mr. Rusi Modi identified that the real problem was the attitude of his senior executives. They didn't treat the workers' comfort as a priority, and therefore his solution focused on solving that problem. And this is really the first question we've got to ask ourselves when we embark on problem solving. Am I solving the right problem? Am I defining the problem correctly?
If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe for more of these informative videos.